Why is lightweight concrete lighter? Is it foam, or is material simply removed? The answer lies in its internal structure. The first type uses lightweight aggregates. Examples include expanded clay and expanded shale. They are porous inside but strong on the outside. The second type is foam or air, entrained concrete. Foaming creates uniform air bubbles within the cement matrix. The third type is a composite, lightweight system. Both lightweight aggregates and foam are used together. The key is not whether pores exist. It depends on whether pores are closed and evenly distributed. Well-designed pores help distribute stress. They also slow down crack propagation. Air is one of the best thermal insulators. Numerous micropores make heat and sound harder to transmit. This is why lightweight concrete is energy efficient. Lightweight concrete has a lower elastic modulus. Designs cannot simply copy normal concrete solutions. Designs must be adjusted based on material behavior. Lightweight concrete is not empty. It is precisely engineered structural material